Start with a magic circle and chain 3. Now make 3 treble crochets into the circle. Yarn over twice, insert a hook into the circle and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through next 2, and finally yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet made. Now make 2 more treble crochets, yarn over twice, insert a hook into the circle and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and finally the last 2. 1 more treble crochet, now make 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and now make 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. Now make 1 chain 3 picot, chain 3, and insert hook into the bottom stitch and insert hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. This is the tip made. 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Three treble crochets, yarn over twice, two more treble crochets, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the magic circle. Now pull this yarn in to close the gap, pull it tight. This is how it will look. Now make a slip stitch into this chain 3 space, this one, chain 1, and make a single crochet into the same chain 3 space, chain 1, and into the next stitch make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1. Now continue this until you reach this picot point. Now we have reached the picot point. Make a single crochet into this picot point, chain 2, and 1 single crochet into the same picot point, chain 1. Now continue with 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, now we reach the chain 3 space. Make 1 single crochet into the stitch, chain 1, and make a slip stitch. And finally make a slip stitch into the first slip stitch which you made. This is how it will look. Now to make the hanging loop, chain 30. And make a slip stitch into the same stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.